Find or read reviews that people are talking about Thamtu C20 Touchless Stationary Vacuum, 27 kPa vacuum cleaner with trash can, professional household cleaning, high efficiency filtration. Automatic sensor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Thamtu C20 Touchless Stationary Vacuum. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Fast and powerful, 27 kPa of powerful suction power removes 100% dust, hair and debris. Auto-sensing activation, the infrared sensor automatically captures the cleaning action and activates Thamtu, making cleaning much easier. High-efficiency filter. Thamtu is equipped with a high-efficiency filter that removes dust, dirt, and debris from your home and returns cleaned air to the environment through a filter port in the side piece. All-in-one, Thamtu's top is a 10 liters capacity regular trash can and the bottom is a vacuum cleaner with a 3 liters dust bag, a groundbreaking combination that fits perfectly into any room with hard floors. Wide range of applications. Thamtu's powerful motor can suck up loose hair from the barber store and efficiently clean up all the pet food, cat litter, and hair in the pet store. And it is also a good cleaner of paper dust in the office. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.